All right, here's a new one, here's an old one. This is what moisture contamination does, and you can see where it's been scraping. You see the scraping is not even inside the bore either. And but you see how dark and dirty it is? This only happens because of moisture. If you have a clean system with no moisture and it doesn't overheat, in 100 years it'll still look like this. As long as there's no oxygen, no moisture, and no excessive heat, the refrigerant oil will stay pure and no oxides will form to cause varnishes and tarnishes. This is what happens when guys don't properly vacuum the system. They don't change the receiver dryer. They have a recycling recovery machine that they don't change the filter dryer to make sure that their refrigerant is moisture free and air free. You also have to make sure there's no air inside the refrigerant. You get stuff like this. So the new one is going in, and this is on a Ford Escape. So the new guy goes in, and I have to change the O-ring up there. Where's my O-ring? Can't find the O-ring. O-ring fell out. Okay, and it just goes in there, gets in the middle. Oh, let me let you look inside. So look inside, and this is what it looks like inside. Let's get a zoom in. Let you see. That's what it looks like inside. There you go. Give you a good view in there. Let's back out. And put that back up in there. Plenty of oil in there. Okay, you see how that's nice and free in there. All right. And this is the plate that was on there. And so you put the plate back on there, 2 screws. You could see where it was sealing at. You can see the little outline of the O-ring in there where it seals against. And that's it. This is why we have to get rid of all the shops that don't change the receiver dryer filters on their recovery machines and allow moisture in there. Guys who do not properly vacuum the systems down, and you get all this black tarnish from the oxides building up here. So yep, a simple part. These are like $19, and it only takes about 5 minutes to change.